Today I'm going to share a few tips that are important to protect your teeth if you're undergoing orthodontic treatment. I'm Dr. Safia Anwar. I'm consultant endodontist. Whether you're using braces or aligners, brushing is your best defense. For braces, use soft bristled or orthodontic toothbrush. Brush above and below the brackets in a smooth circular motion. Consider using interdental brush to clean around the wires in the brackets, and consider use of electric toothbrush with orthodontic head. Brush after every meal for 2 minutes if possible, and consider use of electric toothbrush with orthodontic head. If you're using aligners, do not eat or drink anything with aligners off. Take off the aligners, brush your teeth well, and put them back. Flossing during orthodontic treatment can be very tricky, but it's worth it. Consider use of floss threader or orthodontic floss. Try using electric flosser. It's best for braces and aligners. For dietary habits, I recommend avoid sticky, crunchy and hard food with your braces on. Cut your fruits and vegetables into small pieces before eating. Remove your aligners before having anything, and rinse your mouth well before putting the aligners back in. Remember, orthodontic treatment is a joint effort between you and your orthodontist. Remember, clean teeth move faster and they look better when the braces come off. So brush well, floss daily, eat smart and take care of your appliance. Your future smile will thank you. Thank you and keep smiling.
पाकिस्तान के टॉप डॉक्टर्स के साथ अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करें, वो भी पेशेंट फीडबैक देखते हुए। आज ही ओला डॉक ऐप डाउनलोड करें। ओला डॉक, डॉक्टर का अपॉइंटमेंट आसानी से।